The bustle of traffic and the people on Jagannath Shankar Seth Road near Chani Road station dies as soon as you enter the by-lane towards Kotachiwadi. Located near Girgaon in South Mumbai, Kotachiwadi has always been known for its charming Portuguese-style houses. The houses were built by Catholic East Indians. Walking along the narrow lanes, one gets the feeling of being in a Goan village. The peaceful residential enclaves of Kotachiwadi is one of the last leftovers of Mumbai's original inhabitants, the East Indians, Pathare Prabhus, and Maharashtrians. The Kotachiwadi has the quality of a village, and its bungalows and the lanes are perfectly in balance with the number of people living in the area. Kotachiwadi was originally founded in 18th century by Pathare Prabhu named Dadoba Vaman Khot, who sold his plots of land to local East Indians and North Konkan families. Now its residents include Goans and Mangalorean Catholics, Maharashtrian Hindus, and more recently, a steady influx of Gujaratis and Marwadis. Today, the charming enclave is one of the few heritage neighborhoods that still stands through collapsing at the edges. Kotachiwadi's trove of old, mainly vernacular and Portuguese style houses earned its status of heritage precinct in 1995. But despite of conservation guidelines that were framed in mid-90s by Mumbai Metropolitan Region's Heritage Conservation Committee to preserve the precinct, the distinctive vernacular style houses here are being systematically razed to make way for concrete high rises. The village is in essence a capsule of transition of the city from Bombay to Mumbai. Once upon a time, there were 65 such bungalows, but today there are a mere 25, and that too facing fast extension. Kotachiwadi was declared a protected historical precinct in 1995 by the Bombay Municipal Corporation, but this was reversed in 2006 in the quest to turn the city into another Shanghai, and that's where much of the debate lies. Over the past few years, numerous properties have been demolished, and in their places, several monstrous high rise buildings have been built up. The main reason behind it is the youth who moved out, and the remaining old people residing here are left with limited resources for a refurbishment. Rather than commercializing the locality, we can create a cultural space for Mumbaikars who don't have many neighborhoods such as this. People generally perceive Mumbai either as slum or high rises, but have no imagination of places such as Kotachiwadi, which have a diverse historical character. Even the residents are supporters of positive change. We need to improve, yet preserve what is beautiful. And the redevelopment can be done keeping the originality of the structures of the house maintained rather than demolishing it. It would be barbaric to bring down such bungalows for the greed of some people. This heritage village should be preserved and not allowed to simply disappear, not only from the minds of the people, but also the map of Mumbai. With the number of high-rise buildings coming up in this area, Kotachiwadi's future remains uncertain.